A hobo stove that I've cut open to accept wood. See how long it takes to boil 2 cups of water. See how well it does. A little bit of wind hits it, really takes off. All I gotta do is feed it through here and let the air, or even here, have some space here between, so it's, you can really feed it. Oh, it's very hot. Let it burn. Works really good. Let's see how long it takes now. Almost 5 minutes and it's boiling. In less than 5 minutes, a little over 2 cups of water. So I'd say this works really good. Let's see how long I can keep this going. Oh yeah, nice boil in there. Not bad. That was pretty quick. Next time I just have to keep it away from the wind. It's a little too much wind. Keeps the fire steady, and under the pot probably boils faster that way. So not bad. For a $2 stove, you can get an Ikea. Take it with me next time I go camping. And without the top, it boils it with no problem. And I'm actually using pretty big, thick pieces of sticks. As you can see, got some in here already. It's pretty big. And it's doing a very good job. No smoke, and pretty hot, so I'm very happy with that. Sure, I can go into a simmer mode. I'm not putting in so much fuel. I'm gonna make some pasta. Easily put 4 cups of water in there. Touch the side, so it's boiling really nice. Keep it up, see how long it goes for. I got another pot here. It's been going on for 40 minutes. I'm putting in another 2 cups. Let's see how long it will take to boil again, so let's see. I'll put more fuel in there, then you get a nice flame. Shouldn't take too much. Oh, it's already steaming inside, so probably boil in a couple more minutes. Let's see. Here it's fizzing already. Oh yeah. But 2 minutes later, another 2 cups of water boiling. 4 cups of water boiling. I still got plenty of fuel here. I can rehydrate meals, make pasta, soups, stews. It's been going on for like 45 minutes, so not bad.